But I do have a couple ends to do.
Oh, okay. I used to do the same thing with me. I used to go to Texas every summer. Send me down to my cousins, stay with my cousins, and now it's him playing with his cousin. The next generation.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
okay.
that's my cousin's kids. Yep. They be mad. You can't come down south. I work. What do you want from me? I used my vacation to be with him on his birthday, so I had no time. I got one vacation day left, and you know that's for my birthday. Hello. I'm not going to work.
You got one vacation day left?
Yep. I always, because my birthday falls on a holiday. I'm Labor Day baby, September 3rd. So I already got that day off. So I just add that day on. It ends up being a 4-day weekend. And look at God. You need to come to Texas? I do. I really do. I just don't have the time.
When last time you been out there?
That's crazy.
My aunt traded shoes when you go back?
My aunt 7 years ago.
From Texas.
Yep.
You can hold this one. Close to the top, close to the top.
7 years ago, when my son was 3 years old, yep. My aunt got married again. I'm contemplating moving out there, but then again, the city. I know if I go down there, I have to get a license. You know what I'm saying? These are certain things that in New York are not a requirement. You know what I'm saying? But then again, I can give my son a different school experience. Because junior high school there, they have everything. Everything that we have to pay for here, yeah, exactly. We have to pay for here that schools don't really have on site. That they don't have to pay for that stuff down there. It's part of school. They have driving. They still have driver's ed. They still have home ec. They have football, basketball, and soccer. You know what I'm saying? Baseball. And most of the sports have their own field. These schools are like, have a lot of extracurricular things that kids do need.
No, we don't have.
We don't have in New York. We have to pay for it. You know what I'm saying? It's not included like it is down there. Down south, all you gotta do is pay for their uniform. They just gotta sign up for stuff in school. I just think I'm debating. And his father, I don't know how he would, you know, because he's a good dad. But we ain't together, so I don't know. If it's a move for his son, he gotta understand it.
Right, and if he was that he wanted to move, like what the fuck?
Exactly.
You know, well, she gotta understand. I'm gonna do what I can.
No, right. If he moves up, that
women, y'all, well, I'll say y'all. Like I ain't gonna get it.
No, that's true.
We be too like thoughtful and shit. Like,
yeah,
that you gotta do what's best for you. And not this might not be best for you, but if you felt like it was, I
feel like it's the best for old Ryan. You know what I'm saying? For him, I'm not done living, but at least I'll have a nice apartment with a pool. You know what I'm saying? And a pool in the complex, because that's most Texas apartments down there. And even my cousin just got an apartment.
Down south, that's like the basics.
Hello.
Even in Jersey now, the newer buildings, that's what they.
And the apartment is 2 floors, so I'm like, 2 floors for 8 something. 3 rooms and 1.5 bath. Please. The only thing is that the cost of living is lower down there, so the money is gonna be lower down there.
Yeah. I was just talking about
that adjustment is going to be bananas because I have to save New York money and bring it with me so that I can adjust to how things are spent down there.
But one thing about life, if there's a will, there's always a way.
Hello.
If you wanted to do it, you could make it work.
Yeah.
It will work out. It just would.
But
it works out here every time, and it gets hard here too. You know what I mean?
It does.
So you know what? You just gotta have faith in yourself, and just whatever's right for you. I don't know. Or you and your son, you know.
I think he'd love it. But when he comes from Texas every summer, he just can't stop talking about it. But that's the fun part. You know what I'm saying? The school part is the part that matters the most to me. Because right now the school getting on my nerves. The school, they always talk about, every kid in the damn class got an attention issue. You know what I'm saying? They kill me with this shit. I'm like, he's a boy.
He just got a teaching issue?
He's thank you, hello. But he's a boy. You have to keep his attention. You know what I'm saying? And when he's distracted, give him something to do. It gets on my nerves. They go, we need to do this. I put him in the IEP. I didn't want to, but I said, you know what? If I don't put him in the IEP, y'all sending him to summer school. And what you're not going to do is take away his break.
Right.
If he need it, he'll go. But he doesn't need it, y'all just thinking about it. Let's just do the IEP. That way he's get more help next year. But don't take away his summer, because his school is stressing him. And I can see it. You know what I'm saying?
Damn, already?
Yeah. And it's only the writing.
Oh, poor baby.
The math and everything, he excels in it. But the writing, something about it, he doesn't want to do it. He's very straightforward.
Right.
He just writes what he want to write, and that's it. He doesn't give details and things like that, and they think that that's a problem. I'm like, but he's
creative
reading.
writing is not everybody's strong point. Like, he could be great at other things. Like,
Hello.
focus on what he's good at.
Hello.
And don't punish him for what he's not.
And
good
they
at.
got this thing in the school now where they on A, B, C, D, E, F, G levels of writing and reading, so the kids could compare themselves to each other. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm on L, but everybody else is on R in my class. You know what I'm saying? But you can't
He
worry.
didn't know what everybody else is on.
Thank you. It pisses
But I ain't
me
gonna lie,
off.
like after I got my report card, we didn't compare our report cards. Like, what you got?
Yeah, but that's what we do. But it's like in between report cards, the levels of people reading and stuff like that.
Personal information.
Like, you wouldn't know that somebody couldn't read well until they spoke in class.
Look at Fantasia and fucking Tom Cruise. These niggas went the whole life and did movies and fucking signed record deals and shit, and then nobody knew they couldn't fucking read.
Couldn't read at all. Functioning, what you call illiterates. That's bananas.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how they made it. I don't know how they did that. But Lord knows, every 10 seconds they call on you for to read something when I remember school. So,
Right, everybody got a chance to fucking stutter out loud.
Hello. And it be that one kid and everybody, you know, like shit on them. At least you ain't know his level.
Oh, we know his level.
We knew his level, but one thing, you
I know
know
what you
those
mean.
spoken words. But it's true. Like, he ain't on the level of everybody else, but he in his class. So I'm gonna see how this 5th grade go. Now, I'm trying to make the decision that way. He's a new kid. He's not the new kid. He goes into junior high school with everybody else. Everybody's a new kid. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The down south is different. I'm scared I'm gonna go down there and do that, and then I'll be down there bored as hell. Everybody I know is up here. I mean, I got my family down there, but you know, family's family.
Yeah.
You want to see them someday, and some days you want to just see, you know, your friends. Or sometimes you don't want to see nobody. And my friends and my family is not the one. My family is not, they don't even call. Just show up. What you mean? What you mean? Open this door. And they're the type to make plans every day. Jesus. So I'm like, can we rest? Every day doesn't need a like itinerary of activities. I don't want to go somewhere every day. That's why sometimes I don't be like glad that they go down south. Like, yeah, go ahead.
You already told me you're an introvert. You wouldn't just be in your house and do your thing.
I'd be happy. When I really want to do something, I want to do it. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
But if you try to make me, I'll be, man, let's go. Let's go. Let's do it. And get it over with.
Jamaica. Jamaica. Wait a minute.
I definitely got the name, right? It was like, where your mom got that name from? I don't know.
Go with syllables of the song.